Hello friends, welcome back once again. So first of all, thank you so much for watching my videos and thank you so much for your support. So again, today we are going with the latest IBPS questions, fully solved papers and the questions selected from the previous papers. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me go to the question. So before that, let me request you, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe now so that whenever I upload new videos it will definitely reach to you. So requesting you, please subscribe for this channel if you are new to this channel. Okay, so let us go to the first question. The first question here is 70% of a number is equal to 3/5 of the another number. Find the ratio of the first number to the second number. So this is one of the important questions selected from the previous papers. So when you have questions like this, we can solve it very quickly and find out the answer. But the more and more you practice, your speed will definitely increase. Now let me select this question. 70% of a number is equal to, so let us take 70% of the number as 70 by 100 of any number x is equal to 3/5 of another number, 3 by 5 of another number. Let us take it as y. So you need not to write all these things elaborately while solving for exam. The more and more you practice, automatically you can find out in shortcut methods. For people who are new to this type of questions, I am explaining it fully so that you will get an idea how to go about these type of questions. So what is given? 70% of the number is equal to 3/5 of the another number. So first number 70 by 100 of x. 70 by 100 means 70%. 3/5 of the number 3 by 5y. So now you can simplify it here itself. Cut this 0 and this 0. It will become what? 7x by 10 is equal to 3y by 5. So now I can cross multiply. Cross multiplication means what? We can cross multiply like this. Okay. So 7 into 5, 35. 35x is equal to 3 into 10. 3 into 10 is equal to 30y. What we need to find out? We need to find out the ratio. Find the ratio of what? First number to the second number. Ratio of first number to the second number means x by y. This is what we need to find out. Now here you can see x, with x, what is the number? With x, 35 is the number. So 35 will come down. And with y, what is the number? 30 is the number. 30 will go to the top. Understand it very clearly. X with the x, 35. Here x is on the top. So with the x, 35 is the number that will come down. And with the y, 30 is the number. 30 will go to the top. So you can cut this. In here, 5 will go 6 times. Here 5 will go 7 times. So x by y is equal to 6 by 7. So we want the ratio x is to y. X is to y is equal to 6 is to 7. So accordingly you can mark this is the correct answer. So from 6 is to 7, answer B. Answer B is the correct answer. Understand this type of questions very clearly. What we need to do is, first we have the question, it is given 70%. So 70% of the x means 70x by 100. This is equal to 3/5 of another number. 3/5 of another number y. So here itself you can cut 0 and 0. You cross multiplies. So when you cross multiply these two, 10 into 3, 30y. When you cross multiply like this, it becomes 7 into 5, 35x. So from here, we will put it in the ratio. What is the ratio? X by y. So x is the top here. So the number with x, 35 will come to the bottom. And y is below here. So along with the y, we have 30 will come to the top. So 30. Again, simplify. It will become 6 by 7. So the ratio is 6 is to 7. Very simple and easily you can find out this type of questions. So students, this type of questions are very common. Percentage is given. From percentage we are converting into ratio. Similarly, conversion from ratio into percentage, these type of questions are very common. So more and more questions you can download from the website myexamcoaching.com, or you can download the app, My Exam Coaching app, so that you will get lot of sample papers, then mock test series, everything. So I kindly request you, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and download the app and practice. Okay, let us go to the next question. So the next question is 5/9 of 60 percentage of a number is equal to 2790. What is the number? So again, these type of questions, understand what is given and not it. 5/9 of 60 percentage of a number. 5/9 means 5 by 9 of multiply 60 percentage of a number, that is 60 by 100 into x, which is equal to 2790. Now let me simplify it. You can cut this 0 and this 0. 5 and 10. 5 will go in 10 two times. 2 and 6. 6 three times. 3 and 9 3 times. So you got finally x by 3 is equal to 2790. We want x. So x is equal to what? Just a cross multiply. 3 multiplied by 2790. When you multiply it, what we will be getting? 8370. So 8370 is the correct answer. Accordingly, 8370 you can search in the given option. You can mark A as the correct answer. A is 38370. So what we have to do is 5/9 of a number means 5 by 9 multiplied by 60 percentage means 60x by 100, and this number is equal to 2790. Cut this 0 and this 0. Cut this 5 and 10 two times. Cut this 2 and 6 three times. Cut this 3 and 9 three times. So we got x by 3. X by 3 is equal to 2790. So x is equal to 8370. Very, very easy. And the more you practice, easily you can crack such type of questions. Kindly note it. Let us go to the next question then. Next question is here. If 20 percentage of A is equal to 40 percentage of B, then what is A is to B? Again, I am telling you, conversion from percentage to ratio. Similarly, conversion from ratio to percentage. Students, these type of questions are very, very common in IBPS, clerical, bank, PO, and staff selection commission examination. So what we are doing, percentage, from percentage we have to convert into ratio, and from ratio we have to convert into percentage. In these type of questions are very, very common and very important also, very important. So at least you will get some 5-6 question like this in your question paper. So when you solve this type of question, easily you can take 5 mark. So let us see, 20 percentage of A means what? 20 by 100 A, which is equal to 40 percentage of B, that is 40 by 100 B. Now what is A is to B? So finally let us first cut this. 20 in 100 how many times? 1 by 5. Here 40 in 100, you can cut this and this, so you'll get 2 here and here 5. So we got what? A by 5 is equal to 2B by 5. So here itself we can find out, cancel A 5 and 5, 1 is to 2. We will get this ratio here, or B by A by 2 is to 1. So here let me tell you, let us take the cross multiplication. 5 into A, 5A is equal to 2 into 5, 10B. This is because there is no confusion which number will come in the ratio. Now what we want A is to B, that is A by B. So I told you, along with the A, number is 5. Along with the A, number is 5. That 5 will go to the bottom. Along with the B, number is 10. So here B is in the bottom, number will come to the top, 10. So you can cut this as 2 by 1. which is equal to 2 is to 1. So now 2 is to 1 is the correct answer. So 2 is to 1, option D you can mark as the correct option. Understand this what I told you very clearly. We got A by 5 is equal to 2B by 5. So what I want to tell you is here itself we can cancel 5 and 5. So A, along with the A we have number 1 here. 1A is equal to 2B. So we want what? A by B. So that is equal to, along with the A, 1 will come to the bottom and 2 will come to the top. So this is equal to 2 is to 1. So here also you can find out by cancelling this 5 5 also you can find out the answer. Very important. Please mark it. Let us go to the next question. Now this is work and time and work question, very important. So here you have to understand it very clearly. A group of 84 men can complete a piece of work in 17 days. In how many days that work can be completed by 119 men? So understand this question. 84 men can complete it in 17 days. So 119 men completes it in how many days? Understand one concept very clearly. 84 men completes in 17 days. So 119 men will complete in less than 17 days. So your answer should be a number less than 17. 84 men can complete it in 17 days. That means 119 people. When the people are more, number of days will be less. When people are more, number of days will be less. So your answer will be less than 17. Now let us solve it. 84 men will take 17 days. So one man, 84 men, 17 days. One man in 1 day will be 1 by 17 into 84. This is the normal formula. 84 men in 17 days. So one man in 1 day will be 1 by 17 into 84. So we have how many people? We have 119 people. So 119 people in 1 day will be equal to 119 by 17 into 84. So in how many days they will complete? Let us take they will complete in X days. So we can say, let us take we will complete it in X days. That means 119 by 17 into 84 multiplied by X days. The work will be completed. That is equal to 1. Work completed means the concept is equal to 1. People who have come problem understanding this concept, we have a previous video, work on time. Please search for that video in My Exam Coaching. We have explained it very thoroughly and the link also will be given in the description. So you can click on the link and you can watch that video first. Then it will be very useful for you. Now here you have to find out what is X. So what is X? X will be equal to 17 into 84 divided by 119. When you do it, 17 and 119, you can cut it. 17 will go in 119. How many times? 7 times. The 7 and 84 you can cut how many times? 7 12s are 84. So X is equal to 12 days. So 12 days is the correct answer. Accordingly, we can mark 12 day. 12 day. Answer D is the correct answer. So understand this concept very clearly. 84 men can complete the work in 17 days. That means one man in 1 day, 1 by 17 by 84. So 119 man in 1 day, 119 divided by 17 by 84. Now how many days they will take to complete the work? Let us take that as X. So X multiplied by 119 divided by 17 into 84 equal to 1. This 1 means work is complete. 1 means work is complete. So from that, when you can find out what is X, by simplification, we got X is equal to 12 days. So accordingly, you can mark the correct answer as 12 days. I hope you understood it. If you have any problem understanding such questions, you can put it in the comment box. I can explain it, and we have doubt clearing sessions on every alternate weeks. So you can join our doubt clearing classes, okay, so that I can clear all your doubts. And any particular topic you want to clear or on which you want a video, please put it in the comment box and I can make the video on that particular topic and give to you. Okay, so what is your choice of topic? Do comment in the comment box and I can make new videos in that topic. Okay, take your preparation to the next level and excel in your examination. Let us go to the next question. The average of 6 students is 7 years. Now, this type of questions are based on averages. So, average is a very important topic for all IBPS clerical bank PO examination. Average. So, here this type of questions are very easy questions. You can easily mark the answer by just multiplying. So, I'll give you the shortcut methods here. What we need to do. What is given? Average of 6 students is 7 years. So 6 students average is 7. So we got total is 42. 6 sevens are 42. Average is of 6 students. 6 students are the number and average is 7. So average multiplied by total number. We got total 42. If the teacher's age is taken into consideration, if the teacher's age is also taken into consideration, then the average age increases by 5. Teacher's age also you add, then the number will become how much? 6 students plus 1 teacher. Total number will be 7. And the average increases by 5 years. So first it was 7. Now it is increased by 5. So 7 plus 5, it becomes 12. That is average will become 12. So total will become 84. So find the teacher age. Now what is the difference between these two numbers? That is the teacher age. First only 6 students. I'll explain this way. Simple way you can understand. Initially there were 6 students. Average was 7. So total number into average we got 42. Now you are adding teacher also. So 6 student plus 1 teacher. Total number will become 7. And the average 7 will become 12 now. So the total becomes 84. So first average was, total was 42. Now the total is 84. What is the difference between 42 and 84? It is the difference is 42. So that 42 is the age of teacher. So accordingly, you can find out the correct option and the correct option is 42, option A. So we can mark option A as the correct option. So difference of these two, difference of 42 and 84. This difference you find out, you will get the answer. What is 42? 42 is total number of students multiplied by average. What is 84? Total number multiplied by average. Here total number will become 7 because 6 students plus 1 teacher. Average will become 12 because first it was 7 and now it is increased by 5. So 5 plus 7, 12. So when you multiply, you got 84. So accordingly, you can mark the correct option. 42 is the correct option. Hope you understood it. Let us go to the next question. Neeraj incurred a loss of 55% on selling an article for rupees 9549. What was the cost price of that article? Neeraj incurred a loss, profit and loss. This question is from profit and loss. So loss, how much? 55%. And what is the selling price? SP. Selling price SP of the article is rupees 9549. What is the cost price of the article? CP is how much? That is what we need to find out. Now let me tell you students, we have a formula here. What is the formula to find out CP? CP is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percentage into SP. Please note this formula. If you remember this formula, it is very easy for you to mark all the answers. So accordingly, let us solve it. CP is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss. Loss is how much? 55. So 100 minus 55 into SP. What is SP? SP is 9549. So here we got CP is equal to 100 by 100 minus 55, 45 into 9549. So which is equal to 9549 multiplied by 100, 2 zeros divided by 45. So when you solve it, this calculation, this simplification you can solve. When you solve with this, when you divide this, you will get the answer as 21200. This division you can do, you can cut it with the 5 like that, simplification you can do, and 21200 will be the 21220. 21220 will be the answer. So accordingly you can mark option C as the correct option. Very easy questions and very important questions. So what you have to do is take more and more questions from the same topic, and we will be continuing solving more and more questions. Every day we are putting videos. Okay, previous year question papers we are solving every day. So again, I'm requesting you, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, and you will be getting the new fully solved question papers every day. All topics will be covered in this type of questions. All topics for IBPS, CGL and RRB, all competitive exams, complete quantitative and numerical and reasoning questions will be covered in this series. So let us go to the next question. What is the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 2 years on a sum of 1250 at 4% annum? So again, very important concept here. We have compound interest and simple interest. So whenever we have to find out the difference between these two, difference between compound interest and simple interest, we have a very important formula, and you can note the formula is P into R by 100 power n. This is the difference between compound interest and simple interest. Very important formula. Okay, P into R by 100 power n. So let us put the values here. What is given? What is P? P is 1250, a sum of 1250. So 1250 into R. R is the rate. What is the rate of interest? 4%. That means 4 by 100 power n. N is number of years. So how many years? 2 years. So power 2. So when I solve it, what I will get? 1250. Here 4 and 100 I can cut. How many times? 1 by 25 power 2. So this will become 1250 into 1 into square. 1 square is 1. 25 square is 625. I can cut this 625. 1250 2 times. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 rupees. So the final answer will be how much? The final answer will be 2 rupees. That is a difference between compound interest and simple interest. Accordingly, I can mark the correct option as option A, 2 rupees. So understand this very clearly. This is the formula, the difference between compound interest and simple interest. Compound interest and simple interest, the difference is given by P into R by 100 power n. P is the principal amount, R is the rate of interest, and n is the number of years it is deposited. Here P is 1250 and R is 4%, N is 2 years. So put it in the formula, you can find out the difference between compound interest and simple interest. If you don't know this formula, then calculating all this will take a lot of time and you will be consuming a lot of time. So if you know this formula, the shortcut methods, these are very, very important for solving questions and saving your time. Very important. Okay, so next video I will be coming with a lot of questions from your previous question papers. So if you are new to this channel, I request you kindly subscribe for this channel, and more videos will be definitely coming to you. So if you have any question to clarify, you can call me or you can WhatsApp me in this number. This number is given here, or you can download more question papers from myexamcoaching.com. And please download the app My Exam Coaching, where you will get the free mock test series or sample question papers, doubt clearing classes, live videos, recorded video, study material, everything absolutely free. So take your preparation to the next level. All the very best, and we will meet with a new topic in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.